Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to discuss about option selling. So there are two types, call and put. If call sellers are added, that acts as resistance, price action will go down. If put sellers are added, that acts as support and price action will go up. If equally added, then price action will remain in zone. So this is today's stat, which is pretty good. Nifty is being very bullish and reaching its all-time high. Bank Nifty and Midcap Nifty are also at its all-time high. So this is basically November's third week stats. Which is going very well. So all the Q2 results are reflected here and markets are trying to be in the upper zone. So we'll first study about Nifty. So this is Nifty chart, 1 hour time frame, and then you could see today it was uptrend. When you check for open was 925 900. So let's just write the detail. So this is November third week, and let's take it's a day 1 out of 5 days, okay, because these are Nifty is having a weekly expiry. Okay, so this is day 1 and then it was kind of uptrend. Okay, 900 was the open. When you check OTM, it's negative and it's positive because of day 1. Since support is strong, it is positive. Max DK here, it's negative here because of the weak resistance. Okay, so certainly call writing is overpowering put writing, and price action due to profit booking, price action is going up. Now I'll check for Bank Nifty. So this is Bank Nifty stats for today, and then you could check open was 58,900. So here is 58,900 open, and then when you check OTM, it's negative and positive because this follows monthly expiry pattern. So the DK is having a variation with respect to Nifty. Since support is strong, it's positive. Resistance is weak, it's negative. So pretty much here you could see resistance and support, and it's uptrend. Now I'll go. The last one is Midcap Nifty. Finnifty is your homework. So this is Midcap Nifty. Midcap Nifty is kind of stuck in the weak range. So you could clearly see it's a big range, support and resistance. And you check for open is 925, 13,925. Okay, 925 is the open. Since this also follows the monthly expiry pattern, you could see positive at support because support is very strong. A weak resistance, so negative in the resistance side. So let's now move on to the price action. I'll keep Nifty back to the position. This is Nifty Trader website. Here we are going to check for index. Okay, here is Nifty stats for 25th November expiry. And you could see it's 6 and 8, so clearly put is more, so profit booking is anyway expected. So here you could see call side is having the profit booking. That's why price action is going uptrend. Okay, now when you check for the open was 900. Let's see 900 how straddle was working today, and then you could clearly see it was a long straddle day because of the trending market. Now let's take Bank Nifty. So here is BNF. When you check for When you check for ODM, it's 97 and 117, so clearly support is more. So profit booking at the put side can be seen pretty soon, and this is the range and stuck between the resistance and support. When you check for open is 958, 900, and when you check for straddle, so here also it was a long straddle day. Specifically second half was more trending than the first half. Now we'll check Midcap. Okay, so this is Midcap. Finnifty is your homework. When you check for OY, 11 and 25, clearly put right or some more. So profit booking is expected. Let's wait and watch. Open was 925. So let's see the straddle points. Since it's the last week, the decay could be favorable, but because of the trending market in the first half, you could clearly see it is a long straddle day.